Alright. Everything should be working, but just in case, I will always probably always keep doing this. I'll probably just do a quick check to make sure nothing is going wrong. But let's see here. Over to Twitch. Make sure. Alright. Cool. Alright. I could maybe turn the volume on the music down a smidgen. Like that. And then I think we're good. So we'll go with, we'll run with that. Alright. So what we've got here currently, I've been doing a lot of work on this off camera, obviously, and I've been fixing a couple things. There was whoa, shit! I forgot I had this set at max speed. let's not do that. That was for testing. So let's crank the speed interval down a little bit. That's basically how fast the game sort of ramps up. There's still one issue that I'm trying to figure out how to resolve, but I'll explain it in a second. So currently, we have bullets that sort of trail in, like, that follow you, like this. Like, you know, these guys right here. They were having an issue where they were kind of squiggling away, if this is the best way to put it. They would kind of like, kind of go down this path if they got, like, too close to the bottom right-hand corner of your guy. And I fixed that. Oh, shit. And you saw one of the new features here is when you get hit, there's hit stop, and it does a little screen shake and pauses. Well, it doesn't really pause, it just slows it down really slow for a little bit to sort of really sell the fact that you've gotten hit. So you're like, and you're dead. So obviously that'll ramp up to, like, max difficulty, and you're just, like, constantly zipping across like this. But you know, right here it's pretty easy. There was also another issue where the power-ups, you can see here, would, like, spin around you. So, like, instead of, like, flying to you like that, they would they would orbit you, because the way I had it is that they actually don't to make it look a little bit more fluid, I have them slowly turn to you. And originally they actually functioned exactly like the Seeker bullets, except that they don't stop chasing you after they pass your sort of threshold here. So I had to figure out a way to make sure that they were actually going towards me, or the object. Another thing is that here, I'll show you. You can see here. Is it the player zone? Yeah. So this thing, you can't actually see it, but there's a line here that basically tells objects when they've sort of crossed the point where they can, you know, keep chasing the player. And this is only for Seeker objects. I might use it for other stuff, but for now it's just for Seekers. And the this one I'm looking for. Oh yes, the power-ups. So I'll need to, like, make art for this, and unfortunately I probably won't be able to stream doing the art side of things because the network here is kind of bad. Or the wire. I use a Microsoft Surface for my art stuff, and unfortunately, since that is connected to a you know, it's connected to Wi-Fi, it's not connected directly to the internet via Ethernet, it might be a bit more difficult for me to I mean, I can give it a try, but it might be more difficult for that thing to sort of consistently, or not consistently, but I'm worried that it'll just like break. That the stream would just break, and I'd have to just wait until the Wi-Fi would decide to favor me again, and I don't really want to deal with that. That also, and I need to learn how to funnel sort of, or either figure out a way to sort of take the video from my computer with the sort of green screen that I've got going on, and map and map that to my or sort of take my Surface audio or video and put that on top, or hopefully use this face rig with the Surface and see if I can get my character on that. But that's not game dev, so that's not important for this stream. Let's see, is there anything else that was new, that was changed? So we got the hit stop. This little circle around you is where your sort of area of influence, so that will affect. Oh yeah, I remember now. I remember what I was going to talk about. So when the power-ups, these guys, pass the player threshold, right? So right now they can just go right past and there's no problem. But originally, if they would hit that this object right here, they would fly to you no matter how far they were away, which kind of defeats the purpose of the whole power-up system, right? That would just be a guaranteed item instead of you having to work for it. So that was a problem. The only real bug that I've been trying to fix right now is that this guy, so this parallax scrolling, right? This doesn't work. When you have a camera and so this is how, like, this is why, or not why. So this is kind of a problem that comes from Godot itself a little bit, because right now, you probably can't see it move with this. Let me turn up the speed. Let's go back to big speed. So oh, it's not working right now. Why is that? Oh wait, right, because the camera's invisible. It's not. I'm doing it wrong. Where is it? Smoothing limit. We want to make current off. So turn that off. What I can do and what I'll probably do, I think, well, I'll explain what I mean really. It's like, whoops, I forgot. Wait, why does it work that way? Oh, right. Let's go back to, where's background, scrolling speed equals global game speed. So that's the problem. So let's do, no, this is correct. What's going on here? Ah, got it. So instead of position, we'll go back to scroll. Offset. I think that's how it works, right? I think that's it. You're gonna have to just kind of hope that I'm right on this one, or we'll see. All right. Okay, so there's no scroll offset. I know that there's an option though. So if you go into, oh wait, right, parallax layer. So we want to go back to background. So this, kind of changing it back to what it was originally, and it's not working. So let's see, what is going on? We want. Oh, right. Duh, of course it can't do that because there's no, it's looking to a good thing. How can a doggo look at words and just know what's up? Can't understand any of this. I can't draw either, but everyone in my family can. I don't know, I mean, okay, so the art stuff is actually self-taught. I just taught myself how to do that. And I think that's just if you want to do it. It's really just like, there was a cartoon I liked watching and I wanted to draw characters for it, so I drew characters. Just something I did. And programming is something I actually have a formal education in, and so it's, you just develop. you either develop the skill or you don't get through the class. You don't get through the course. So I don't know. It's like learning any language, really. Once you know it, then it's pretty easy. So it's so saw pancake. I think you could learn it if you want to give it a shot. Well, I'm sure you've got something successful that you got going, or maybe not. I don't know, but I'm sure there's something there. Let's see. Well, I'm doing this. I want to make sure this is right here. Okay, so yeah. So this is the scrolling that it's supposed to be happening, and it's like, oh god, it's ridiculous. I think the offset should actually be. There should be like a, let's see, scrolling offset here. Going to the print, so we're going to be like, I think point. See, everybody says I can't draw a circle, and you want to know what? Nobody can draw a circle. I can't draw a circle. Do you see any circles on this character? I don't think so. I mean, drawing straight lines is a little bit harder, but even then, like, I think part of art is learning to accept the flaws in your work, I think. Because once I learned that, things got a lot easier. I was able to, obviously there's a lot of mistakes you're going to have to make, just naturally through the process, but you learn and you get better, and that's not how that's supposed to look. Scale. No, okay, so it's not offset then, it's scale. What's this here? So axis is set to 0, it won't scroll. So Y we don't want, well, no, we want Y to scroll. We want Y to scroll. I mean, the programming looks cool, but I have no idea. Yeah. I mean, it's just, I'm not it's there. You'll hear me talk about it, so I'm sure that like you'll get enough of the. I'm hoping that you'll get enough of the sort of gist of what I'm doing that you can kind of figure it out, or not figure out coding, but figure out like what I'm trying to get across. Oh no! I will say though, you'd be surprised how many game engines do not actually require you to know how to code. I can put some in the chat if you were interested, but whoa shit, so yeah, this is what it's supposed to look like. Whoa shit. He's like, oh no. So notice how like when I get hit, I'll turn it down a little bit in speed, because now we're back to where I wanted to show it. Let's go back here again. So right now there's a little bit of scroll you can still see because we're going very slow right now. But so you can see the bolts are coming out, and when I get hit, as soon as I get hit, it'll be here. You'll see it slow down, but you won't see the screen shake. Gosh, come on. You'd be surprised how many devs suck at their own game. Where am I? Oh, right. So, yeah. See, so this camera right here, when you turn it on, it actually takes control of the scrolling. And the hitbox for the player is huge. Oh, so actually, I guess, I don't know if you mean, so, let me go back to the player here. Let's go to a scene. So, this is actually not, if you're talking about this thing, that's not his hitbox. That's actually just his sort of sphere of influence. So if he gets close to a power-up, then he can just suck it up. So you don't have to, it's designed so you don't have to like directly hit a power-up to get it. You just get it. No, I'm making jokes. Okay, well, still, I mean, it's, you know, it's worth talking about. It's a feature I like. It's like if I'm right here, the power up will just come to me. But yeah. Also, so like right now you can see, now I've got the screen shake working again, but if we turn up the speed, like here, let's crank it back down, so it'll go really, really fast again. So look at all these bullets and stuff. All right, yep, ow, ow. See, so, but you notice that the screen's not, the background isn't scrolling, and that is my key issue. And I think that whoa, okay, there's a bug right there. All right, I will look into that later. That is something that needs to be fixed. So this is why games take so long to make. Yeah, I mean, there's always little bugs in all of them. And also because devs like to play their game. At least I like to play my game sometimes. But yeah, there's always like, whoa, shit. But yeah, so okay. So when we hit a certain amount of speed, the power-ups become so fast that they do what they were doing before, which is orbit the player. Which I think there's ways I can actually solve that problem. I could just separate them from the... Let's see. Oh, and also probably what graphics and texture meshing and creating. Well, I mean, gosh. You gotta play good... I do. Maybe I test a little bit too hard, though. But yeah, so... I would say, like, yeah, anything with, like, 3D models takes a long time on the front end. Like, once you have the model, then you can just use it, and it becomes a lot easier. But, like, when I'm making small games, my 2D art skills are probably the most useful. I actually want to learn how to create 3D models, so I can create a 3D model for, you know, for me. But, yeah. One thing at a time. Also, how's the audio, by the way? I'm trying a new setup for the mic, so I'm hoping that it sounds a little less, or it kind of separates a lot of the noise. It's coming from me, or from objects around me, like dropping stuff on the table or whatever. Pixel art and whatever Hollow Knight is. Thank you. Hollow Knight's cool. I think that there's not... It's weird. Hollow Knight is one of the few 2D games that is, like... It seems like all of the sprites are animated by hand. One second. Alright, sorry about that. Well, what's creepy? Oh, the like, oh, I'm gonna leave and then freeze. Yeah, I was in a bit of a rush. Otherwise, I would have pulled the character off screen. But yeah, I was just doing a little garbage collection. That's all. Just a little garbage collection. was I saying? Right. Oh, yes. So, I am going to be trying to either find a solution to, or I guess of the things I'm going to be trying to do today, I'm going to be trying to figure out a solution to this camera issue. So that basically, you know, the scrolling will still happen. Or what I'm going to do is I'm just going to find another workaround for it. Like, basically, instead of using their default parallax stuff, I'll just make my own. I don't want to, because this thing seems like it's a lot better performance. But if I have to, I'll figure something out. I don't think I'm going to have to do that, though, because I think I can just take this thing on and off of being the current camera, and that might work. In fact, I could actually try that right now. Well, no, because then the world would freeze for a second. I don't know. I'll figure something out. But yeah, there's a little, like, VTuber thing that I think it's usually, like, if they go leave to do something, they go take their character and they go walk off screen like that. Actually, you know what? There we go. That's better. Anyway, back to the programming part of this whole thing, which is what I'm here for. Nope. See. So actually, let's see if I can pull here. I don't have legs, so I can do this here. They're detached right now because they're not needed for this. So I'm just. But good eye, good eye. Let's see here. It sounds like my brother was explaining what he had to do with his paint. Take a certain... Thighs are good enough. Thighs are good enough, frankly. I'll let you decide what that means. Let's see, this sounds like when my brother was explaining what he had to do to make his paint take a certain shape, either with cutouts or if those aren't certain available things. Yeah, I guess that makes sense. I guess I remember, like, Bob Ross even having to, like, sort of stroke the canvas with his hand. Oh, spray paint. He sprays paint. Oh, never mind that. Oh, it's like they're like stencils. So you can, like, put his hand in front of the can and then it creates a shape. Okay, now I'm losing my train of thought. Oh, right. So I think, though, what I want to do first for developing is the separate characters. I want to be able to have multiple different types of characters. We're already mostly there, but I want to get that done today. That is my big goal. Because, like, the parallax stuff, while it's nice to have, it's still just a, effect. So if it doesn't work, it doesn't work. So I don't need to worry about that too much. But having separate characters will be important for this game, so I need to get that done. I don't know, do you do anything? Or well, I guess you said you don't really draw and you don't really program, but I'm sure there's like something you do, like, I don't know, I don't know, like, there's probably something you do that other people can't. Or at least that's difficult, that would be difficult for other people. I wouldn't, like, sell yourself short. Anyway, where is... crap, I'm trying to remember where I put my stuff. Okay. I've completely lost my train of thought right now. Okay, I think I remember. So, I should have wrote this down, but I have a sort of menu that pops up under this thing here. So I think actually what I'm going to do is that. I'm going to start with the menu. Because that seems like the easiest thing to do with right now. I think I'm actually going to take this over here. So where is it right now? Is it visible? Oh, it's not visible. All right, cool. So there we go. Change character. We already have that button created. So now we just need to attach a separate menu that they can see. Let's go with... I'm going to go with a control... Assembly paralyzed, potentially thick thigh or lewd thigh snack, but I can't develop that, mister. Also, can't do any form of art. I guess I write poetry, short stories. That's not a good thing. A lot of people like my short stories. They usually write things that end horrible for the main characters. Yeah, I mean, that's... sad stories are still stories. It doesn't really make a difference on, like... It's about the execution. You know, the, what is it? Theater of the mind, you know, the friggin' something of disbelief. I forget what it's called. Suspension of disbelief. You know, it's that's what makes a story good. It's not whether or not it's happy or sad. That said, if you do want to see a picture of me with legs, I actually do have one. So if I go, we'll do Newgrounds. That's it. Yeah, let's see. There we go. There. So I've uploaded a couple pictures with, you know, legs. Actually, that's the only picture that has legs, come to think of it. I think the only one I've uploaded, at least. I have a couple concept arts that I had. Okay, so let's see. Like, my favorite short story I ever wrote was about a mechanic waking up from emergency cryo sleep, and he had to get through the ship, and there was a mysterious mist monster that kept killing him. He finds out what happened to the crew, and when he gets to the observatory bridge, he saw, like, a whole galaxy. Maybe the same mist that was trying to kill him. Well, is like the universe like trying to eat him? Whoop, wrong thing. Is the universe trying to eat him because he's like it's like, you know, it's actually trying to take him home or something like that, or is it like, no, he's just dead? Or you don't know because it's Eldritch. Let's see. We want a panel container. Panel gonna be this big. It's gonna be this big. Let's see. It probably should have some kind of behaviors on it, right? Like. Yes, Eldritch. I will say there's a lot of like Eldritch writing that's like, well, I don't know what happened. He's just he's just dead, or you don't even know if he's dead. He's just, I don't know what happened. That's how Eldritch works. You don't know. We're not going to show you the monster because you're not supposed to see it. You're just not supposed to know. Eldritch is cool though. I think when it's executed well, it's good. Is this the thing I want? I don't know. Because panels are great if I can put like a picture over it. I guess I could change the color. Let's see. Rectangle. Maybe I'll be able to change the color. I don't know. Maybe I'm wrong. I feel like that's too much of a warning. But that, again, that is the only way that you could like have that story work. If it just happens, then it's even worse. There is a really interesting Eldritch story. Well, I guess it's technically Eldritch. I don't know. It's about a guy who like kind of slowly begins to realize that he is either trapped in a book, or he was always, or I should say, he was always in the book, or something like that. I don't remember. It's an old. They made a movie of it, but I didn't really see much. Oh, I was just saying that there's a book that, I forget the name of it. Let's see. Well, whatever. I can't remember the name, and I don't think I'm going to get close to remembering the name. But, it's about a guy who goes to a, he goes to a place called Hobbs End. And apparently it's a reality contained entirely within a book, but then actually, in actuality, the whole reality was a book, and the author is the main villain of the story. It was something like that. I don't know. It was kind of neat. I like that. Oh, wait a minute. Huh. Viewport container. I wonder. I'm gonna think about that later, or I'm gonna mess with that later because I think that might be my solution. I guess. You bug me on Twitter if you want to know what it is, because I'm sure I'll remember after the stream. Let's see. Texture rectangle. That's not a. Okay, you know what I can do actually though. I don't need to be as Oops, fuck, I didn't mean to click that. I don't need to be as clean as I'm trying to be right now. Base class for all containers. I'm pretty sure it doesn't care. Container use for that. We'll do this. This is C. Oh, wait. CLAPT. The TP. What's that? Oh, claptrap. Yeah, because we talk too much? Yes, maybe. I could agree with that. Oh, and also having numbers in your name. Well, technically, it's actually my model number. That's not actually my real name. But, you know, you don't want to go revealing your real name online. That's pretty bad, you know, bad online etiquette. I want to keep that anonymity as much as you can, you know? Is Robot Doggo a fluffy doggo or smooth doggo? I'm a cartoon dog, so whatever the situation demands. If the seed needs a smooth dog, it's a smooth dog. If it needs a furry dog, then I'm a furry dog. That's how it works. Okay. Character. There we go. So it's whatever the really it's whatever the fan artist feels like drawing, or whatever I feel like drawing. This character is designed. I need to actually put a formal lore sheet for this character, but yeah, it's designed to be as open to interpretation as possible. I still need to draw armor sets, though. I want to do that because that was something that I designed this for that I have not gotten around to doing. It sounds weird. I admit I have a very expressive voice, so I can pretty good. No, that makes sense. Like I said, I have a pretty expressive voice, so a lot of people can hear me. You don't have to see my face to know what I'm thinking. Also, I can do this. That's not. I mean, that's not my face, or it is, but it is my face. I don't know. Whatever. Anyway, so. But yeah, no, it's. I think that with some people, they tend to be a little bit more dry, and so doing the whole VTuber thing is a little tougher because they're just deadpan. But I think that, and that might be an appeal of it. You don't know what they're saying, or you don't know what their kind of emotional state is. But yeah, I don't know where I was going with this. It's not weird. It makes sense. It makes sense. Yeah, if I was talking like this the whole time, then it might be a little bit different. Like if I was talking like this, like Otacon, or Colonel. I'm trying to sneak around, but I'm dummy thick, and the clap of my ass cheeks keeps alerting the guards. Like that. Yeah. I mean, yeah, I don't know. Like, they have to have a, I don't know, I think VTubers have to have a good personality behind them. Granted, do I think I'm a good personality? I don't know. I don't know. I'm doing this because I want to, but, I think that's it. No, I'm not. I do not have the capability of becoming dummy thick, unfortunately. Snack thighs. I've never actually heard that term before. Alright. And I'm getting distracted. Shit. Okay, actually, yes, character menu. So, let's put some buttons in there. So let's turn off the start menu. Alright. Fair, I did actually say that. You can draw whatever you want, and it could probably be canon if you give it enough. If you twist the lore enough, you could probably make it canon. That's the way I've designed this character. Right, buttons. I need buttons. That's what I need. For now, at least. I could probably switch them out with something else, but for now, button. I don't know, do people really care about, like, lore when it comes to VTubers? Like, 'cause some people I know like to write it out, but, I don't know if people actually care. I care, because I like, especially with, like, I think, Kiara of Hololive, the Phoenix one, because she's got this Kamen Rider theme, and I'm just like, yes! Like, that shield and sword looks cool, tell me more about how that works. But, I don't know. I feel like most people probably don't care. I don't know. I don't see what let's see. Let's pretend somebody commissioned a super awesome artist to make a super detailed and super amazing piece of doggo, right? But that piece of dog was excessively tame. Yeah, yeah. I mean, personally, I don't care like what the fan art is if it's cool, if it's good. Like, I I've never had fan art drawn of anything I've ever made, so having fan art would be freaking fantastic no matter what it was. Oh, yeah, whatever. But and it didn't feel like erasing it. Yeah, no. I have to. Yeah, I agree. It's more the person has to be interesting first and foremost. But yeah, I don't know. Like, I feel like most people seem like they kind of just take the character at face value. Like Kiara is not even she is a phoenix when it's convenient, and she's a chicken when it's convenient. But it doesn't go any further than that. She has a KFC, and that's it, or KFP, chain of restaurants, and that's it. That's her whole thing. Where is fonts? There it is. Yay! I'm doing it. Hooray! Hooray! Yes. To be fair, that was the intention. I was like, I'm not like I could just have it be like a regular human trap, but I feel like that's just like that already exists for a lot of characters, a lot of VTubers. I'm like, no, let's go all the way. Let's combine everything I like into one big monster, and that was kind of what this is. It's like I like sort of Mecha Musume. I like I like drawing sort of furry style characters. Is the robot? Yes, actually, yes. All limbs are removable. all of the limbs on this character are removable. They are entirely. This whole body is entirely modular. It's based off of. You've ever heard of like a series of models called Megami Device? It basically works how that works. So you can remove the arms and legs and then replace them with like armored arms and legs, or just leave them off and leave me to my fate, I guess. I don't know. But you wouldn't do that, would you? That wouldn't be something you'd do. Alright, let's go left. Yeah, we'll go. And we'll go. Yeah, we'll go. Type. I don't know what you're talking about. That's not loot at all. Frankly, I think you're just being weird. Don't be weird. Why would you be weird? Playstyle, that's what I want to call it. For now. Technically, I've already drawn it. But, it's not technically of this character, but I've drawn it. I know what you're talking about. I'm just pretending I don't. Okay, so we got this. And then we've got like a panel. We'll say like panel. Okay, so I'll make sure to be a little bit more coy about it then. So that not to ruin the fun. old mini. You can still do it. I don't care. I'll still hear it. Good with that. No, it's ruined. Oh, well, I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Okay, so lesson learned. I gotta play to the. I gotta learn to read the room. I guess. I'm very sorry. I didn't mean to. Panel, and we're gonna have some characters in it. Hearing my whisper to myself here. I should have drawn out what I wanted this to look like. I should have planned this out a lot more. Let's see. Probably have like a click and drag situation here. Actually, I think I am gonna have a panel over the back. No. I'm sorry. Is that good enough? If I do the face, you know, the Unfortunately, I can't talk when I do that face. It's gonna be the best bullet hell thing. It's gonna be a mobile game, actually. It is a bullet hell mobile game, but it's a mobile game. Technically, most of it's already done. It's just all the little extra stuff, like extra characters and all that. I'm actually gonna be in it, along with a bunch of other people, but. We'll do this here. Theme. Let's see. I can mess with it. Ah, I can. For now, we'll disregard it. I don't even need to. I don't think you need to know why I'm cracking up. Okay, I need to focus on this game, but it's a strong response. Strong response. All right. I feel like I've lost that a little bit. I think it's a little bit of a lost cause, but I think I can keep going. A lot of it, though, is I did not have a plan going in, which is something that, as a programmer, or at least in my case, I feel like is a bad thing. I think I should have had a bit of a stronger plan. those things belong in a confession chamber. Possibly one with holes. Oh god. Again. I've seen enough hentai to know where this is going. What the fuck is this? Oh, that's the stock meter. Of course, let's existence for now. Alright, so let's do... I should have had some art for this, but that should be pretty easy to mock up really fast. But right now, I want to have... Okay, actually, you know, I think I am going to do some basic art here. Really, really basic. Because I just need to, I need to have something that I can use to be a placeholder here. I mean, hey, keeping things interesting. This would be great for a gaming stream if I could keep that conversation going. I'll say this takes a lot more mental effort to... Well, okay, actually, right now what I'm doing doesn't take a lot of mental effort. I'm gonna pull up this window here. Add new source. Add source. I feel like anybody that comes in to a stream like this is kind of going to go or have something to say about the character design. Okay, so let's pull this all the way back behind the camera. We'll do that for now. Okay, there we go. So this is going to be me making a bunch of wait, why can't I show the actual picture? Let me see. Oh, weird. That's really bizarre. Huh. It doesn't show the window for the freaking Affinity Designer. Well, huh. All right, let me try something else. No, all right. I'll see you in a bit. Done. There we go. That should fix it. Let's go with standard character, so we'll go like, I think. There we go, this color. Wait, what am I doing? Alright, this should work. Alright. And then we'll do... So you'll see all the files here. Okay. Let's go with... and then we'll go with blue head. But did I just say red, blue? Alright, well, whatever, I can fix that. But, alright. So we will, do this. We'll go with rest. New script, new folder. Images. All right. Do that. That's actually the perfect scale for this. All right, so then now we need to have a section show in file manager. We'll make 2 copies of these. Copy, paste. Stop. There. Copy. Paste. And then we will take these and scale them down a lot. Edit. Actually, no, I don't even need to do that. Why am I doing that? Take these 2 and import them at a significantly less scale, so we go. And that's SVG. That's all we want. We want size limit. We're gonna put it at like, we'll put it 10 maybe. I'll be where we can actually do it. So size limit 10. It's too small. Okay, cool. That's good for now. Let's go with the selection. So then we want like a menu that you can scroll up and down between for these characters. For right now, we just want a panel that can scroll between these 2 guys. So, how are we gonna do that? Man, I should have thought about this when I was, I should have thought about this beforehand, but I do this. Got the time. It's not like I got anywhere to be. Yeah. me really like storing pages around here. Let's see. What? Catch me from looking down like this? Cool. So we're going to write up a couple designs here. Oh man, I wish I could like draw this on screen. I'll figure something out for that later. It's not that big a deal. Let's see. So we want something that looks like drawing. Character here. The options this way. Maybe actually a blurb right here. Actually, no, maybe it'd be like this. So, okay, cool. I think that'll work. So then we take... I know this is riveting, and I probably will have a method of placing my notes on screen, but for now, you're just going to have to listen to me talk about them while I'm drawing them to myself. Alright. So we go to character design, or not character design. I've got like the... I'm going to put the portrait up here, information here. There's going to be like a list of characters that you can scroll through here. So what I need to do is I need to figure out a so scrolling. List of characters. And then, let's see. Scrolling list of playstyles. And I think that's it. So the first thing I need to do, also make it so that the menu slides in. So transition effects. So we'll look at that first. So then I think what we're going to do here is we'll do that. Okay. Let's see. With cool. Alright, cool. Right. So we'll do this. Okay, cool. So we'll do that. And then we... there we go. So let's see. Not scrolling background this time, we want scrolling menu. Let's see. List with a scrolling container, and then we want Godot. Let's see, what else was I looking at? What's in my notes here? So we got scrolling list of playstyle. So yeah, I think that's good for now. Oh, transitions. Godot transition between... yeah, we'll go between scenes. I don't think that's actually Fading animation. Ah, it's gonna have to be animation player stuff. I think that could work though. Sprites, yes. We're looking at game dev stuff. I actually have the audio off right now, so if there's anything playing on these websites, I have no idea. So let's start with that, though. Let's start with the easiest thing, which is just getting the buttons to work. So, or getting the first button to work. So that. Whoops, that's not what I meant to do. Come on, come back. There we go. And where is it? There it is. So we're going to do this. Child node and between animation player. Yeah, let's go with animation player. I think that's probably the best way for me to go about it. Android? That's actually... Is this sent from CyberLife? No, technically there is a... This doggo was originally a biological doggo that may have had some issues and then decided to illegally put himself into a combat drone. So not CyberLife, more like those military surrogates. But no, that's a very good point. I don't know, would I still be a dog if you removed all of like the dog-like features, right? Because it's technically just, you know, parts. There's no actual like dog. Harsh origin. it's kind of edgier than you'd expect, for sure. Because I was like, okay, how do I... I'm like, okay, what do I do? How do I make this character, you know... What would I do to make this character interesting? I know, cancer. So, I don't know. Welcome back. But yes, very good point though. I would say like the whole dog thing. I guess if I come from a universe that's all dogs as the sentient race, then I'm still technically a dog in the same way like a robot person. If you removed all the person-like aspects of them, it's still a person. Like if you made a robot person without ears, it's still a person. Oh. Hello, how are you doing today, Bambiquips? I'm doing good. I admit progress is a bit slow, but that's a little bit my fault. I should have done a little bit more planning before I did this, because I had to go to my notebook and start writing some notes on how I wanted to get this character menu done and what I want to actually happen. But yeah, how are you doing today? More importantly, that is. I just realized that the hello might be the fact that I'm a dingo, but unfortunately, I did not actually take into account the being Australian part as a character trait. I'm very much not Australian. Oh! Thank you for the follow. I'm not sure why my little thing didn't go off. But yeah, thank you for the follow. Did it, let's see, is my... Yeah, my alert box is going. Oh, that's weird. Well, either I wasn't paying attention when you did the follow, or it didn't go off. But either way, thank you for the follow. I really appreciate it. But good to see you're just chilling in my chat, watching watching me code very, very slowly. You know, yeah, it kind of does have a Sly Cooper kind of look to it. It's like Sly Cooper, but very lewd. Add property. Where's transition here? Wait. Property track. Yes, I want that. So let's go over here. Carmelita Fox? Carmelita Fox, you mean? Yeah, she's good. She's good. She's a good character. Very good character. Very, very good character. I can appreciate the aesthetics of Carmelita Fox for sure. Very much for sure. Let's try that. Oh, I just realized I could have done this. Yeah, see, look at that. Let's go 1 second. There. Position. Nope. Negative 100. See. That should work. So let's hit play on that and see how it looks. And I fucked up. How did I fuck up? What's happening? Why is that breaking? All right. Well, it's fine. It's sliding out. So sliding in, like this, and then we key that, go to 0, mask, so go like that. There it is. I'm sorry. Listen, it just sometimes happens. I just get in the mood, you know. So, it may also have to do with potential me still getting used to this face rig thing, but you know. Yeah, if I look too far to the right, also it kind of pouts. Scandalous. Oh my, yes. Please do me a favor and make the pouty face, but look up with your eyes only. Did you get what you want? So I can do it. I can't see what it looks like because I'm looking up, but I hope it came out good. Okay, cool. All right, there we go. Wonderful. I'm just not gonna question it. Yay, congratulations. You got what you wanted. Oh god. This is the lewdest programming session I've ever had. I'm not going to question it because I know exactly what you're talking about. But I'm going to pretend like I don't. There is a way for me to, like, change. Oh, easing, that's it. That's how it works. So slide out, goes from... Should does easing matter here? Oh, it doesn't even. Sure. Okay, so that easing doesn't matter here, but it does matter here, so we're gonna mess with it here. All right, sure. Then I went to Photoshop. Alright, I'll look down. I'll do it. Save select. There you go. There you go. Alright, I'll give you your material. I'm happy to do that. Oh god, what's happening? What the frick's happening? Oh my, I have no idea what you could be doing. Frankly, I'm so uncouth, or whatever they say in those regions of the world. And such witching. Alright, do that. Let's see, maybe use that, maybe? This is me being too... There we go, that actually looks better, I think. Did you get the image you wanted? Animation. New. Alright. I hope that works then. It's like... Well, maybe one day you'll get your wish. You'll find the art you're looking for. Not making any promises. Alas, you can only do shadows. But hey, I would love to see your what you do, because that would be funny. Not gonna lie. So this one is which way is it easing? 41. So let's try that same thing with this. 41. Wait, why is it 1? It's got to be 0. Like that. There we go. So now we go from here, sliding in like that. So we go like that. That looks okay. That looks good. That looks nice. All right, so that's easy. Slide out, slide in. Boom, done. Look at that. And then we'll say we'll have a select button here. Let's go back to slide in. Let a button to just close it, basically, for now. Base button, button. Yeah, it's not, like... I haven't actually made a lot of progress in the code direction, but, you know, it's looking good. I'm going to be probably doing this for a little while, so it's not that big a deal if I haven't made that much progress in like a couple hours. Actually, it's only been like 2 hours, so yeah. Not a big deal. Not a big deal at all. I could go faster, but I'm not going to hate on myself too hard for that. Select like that. Yes. Batman. forget what the quote is. It's like, Batman, you think the darkness is your friend, but I was born in it, molded by it. I don't know where the rest of it goes, but yeah. Alright. The Batman. Alright, let's see. So we're going to hit select. We're not going to hit select, we're going to type select, because that's what this button is for. And that will, for now. We're going to go attach script and turn it into a character menu. And then do that. And then, let's see. You know, for a second I was about to say that, like, I was kind of like, sticking my tongue out there, and I'm like, I should put a tongue out, or a sticking my tongue out animation for this character, because I know you can do that in FaceRig, or at least I'm pretty sure you can. But then I realized that was a very bad idea, and I'm never thinking about that again. That is not going to happen. Not ever. I say to myself, like, then freaking 3 months later, just freaking a Haigao dog. Emblem. Yeah, exactly. I want one of those. Kind of like the I'm working very hard face. Alright. I drew the character, but I didn't actually make the live 2D model. That was actually a guy named Japs. I think you can find him on my like sort of description page, on my about page. Working hard for a tree. Like it'll do the little like paw thing. It's like, okay, now shake. Working for the man every night and day. Don't know that song either. Okay, where the frick? Right. That's correct. That's what I know what I'm doing again. Transition animation. Then we go time this, and then we go. Okay. We're going to go play. Oh, I could have done playback for, well, whatever, slide out. I'm going to go slide out. Like that. This, that. There we go, and it's gone. Awesome. Okay, so we did that. Next thing is the opposite. So we go character, and this, and then we attach a script to that. No, we don't do that. What am I doing? That's silly. Why would I ever do such a thing? Why would I ever do a thing like that? That's bizarre. That's odd. That's strange. Slide in. Working for the man every night and day. Slide in. Okay, and then character scene, so we can go like that. And why is it not working? Oh, because this is not seen, so like that. Okay, so we got all that here. So that needs to be fixed, but that's not a big deal. That's not a big deal at all, actually. Because I think if I just do this, that actually might solve the problem. Yep. Oh, whoops. Well. Huh. Look at that. That's odd. What the frick is that? What's going on with that? All right, let's bring the panel all the way down, I guess. No, that's too far. There. Okay, that was odd. That was really strange. That was strange, guys. Do you have an Imager account to post stuff? Do I have to make an Imager to post stuff? I don't actually have any social media aside from Twitch and Discord. I don't know what that is. I don't speak machine. Well, first of all, that's extremely offensive to me as a machine. I frankly find that quite rude. I think you need to, check your privilege. But also, and Discord. I mean, I didn't think I was popular enough to make a Discord yet, so I guess if you just want to oh, actually, I have a place you can post it. That's real easy. Oh wait. I'm trying to think of where you could post it that I could pick it up. I'd say just if you can, I think my Twitter messages are open by default. Let me check. That's all I can think of. Let's see, where are my settings here? Because if I think, let's see, I'm gonna go make an Imager account. You can do that. There's also this thing called, I don't know if you could post it. If what I think you're going to send me is what I think you're going to send me, I think that this would be a better option. Here, I'll post it for you. This is Litterbox, so you can basically have images that will sort of disappear after a certain amount of time. And yeah, so that might be better, because if it appears on Twitch chat, I don't know if it gets saved or not. And if it connects to something that might be considered against Twitch's guidelines, it's very, the very strict guidelines, then I could get this channel deleted, and I don't want that. I prefer that not to happen. I mean, you can still send me an Imager link. It's whatever, but that might the cat box thing might be better and easier. I use cat box all the time. So we're getting started out in here. On stream. It's not even that. Okay, good. I have this actually done in such a way where let's see, I can actually display. This is actually just a window. Even if I click off to another thing or another what's the word I'm looking for? Even if I click off to another window on my desktop, it's not actually displaying my desktop, so I can actually look at whatever I want and not have to worry about causing an issue. But if I do this, then it actually shows my desktop. So if I do, I can look at it and it'll be fine on stream. But so if you want my reaction to whatever it is. All right. Yeah, I'm very big on security. Very big on protecting, keeping as much information as you can to yourself. Very big proponent of that. Alright, let's see here. So we've got the transition menu. So now we actually need to make it do stuff. So... No, I'll let your curiosity decide. That's pretty good. That's pretty good. I like that. I'm gonna send that to somebody. I think they would appreciate that. Where the frick is, if you want to see what you made me do, it's your choice. What I made you do. What I made you do. I didn't make you do anything. That was all your choice. Funny though. I appreciate it. I'm gonna send this to it. I'm gonna send this to another person. But yeah, your hand is forced. This character is just pure. This face is just pure raw. Lewd energy. Couldn't say no. Couldn't say no. I can understand. I can understand. It was life or death. It's the thighs, man. I couldn't help it. The actual saying is thick thighs end lives. It's actually completely different thing. Or is it is it thick thighs save lives and snack thighs end them? Is that because whatever, I don't know what I'm saying anymore. I don't know what I'm doing. I'm just gonna keep code. I'm just gonna keep making a video game. That's what I'm here for. This is a very strange stream. I'm not sure what to say about it. Man. Oh, hi Japs. So yeah, this is the guy that just entered the chat. He created the rig for my character. So I didn't actually do any of the animating for this character. It's all Japs. So if you want to compliment him on the pout face, then he would be the person to direct your compliments to. For the dude, that led to that interesting picture. I thought I did tweet. I swear I tweeted about it. I did tweet. I did a tweeter. Yeah, see right here. Look at that. See right there. You just missed it. Okay, to be fair, yes, I need to stop. I mean, but I like posting freaking anime figures, man. That's like half of the point of this freaking character. Just to advertise freaking Robo Girls. Alright. Okay, so we have that screen. Now we need to look at... Okay. That's intense. What's intense? the liking anime robot girls, or not posting something to Twitter. Okay, I don't need this anymore, but I want. Let's see. I will say on the Dingo Twitter, I'm definitely, I'm definitely mostly just freaking model kits as well, and art, lots of good art. Let's see. We want scrolling. Container. Let's try that. Okay, so there's a scroll container. Okay, it's just this one then. That's fine. We'll use that. Oh, two shadows. Oh no. Alright, I'm just gonna put that over here. There we go. That's good, that's good, that's good. Congratulations, you made that. Good job. If I could give you a thumbs up, I would. But unfortunately, right now, I do not have a way to move these arms around in a way that looks good. I know. I'm actually kind of proud. I'm kind of proud. What? Never. You know you've made it when you have porn. That's how you know. Pylons. They're just constructing additional pylons, and I'm just admiring their handiwork. Oh yeah, so this is what I've got so far, Japs, with the game. So like, you know, obviously you can do this. You can fly around, do the regular game. Oh right, forgot it's set to max speed. I forgot. Anyway, so you can do that, or you can, you know, go into the thing and change character, and you can like pop this thing in and out. So that's what I've got so far. I've got a couple other things I want to change. Death speed, death screen, yeah. So I've got a lot of stuff. I've got a lot of stuff built in. The game basically is functionally complete. Now it's all the pretty stuff. So that's kind of the goal here. StarCraft reference. Yes, I've never played StarCraft, but yeah, it's a StarCraft reference. haven't done shit since last time. Yeah, that's alright. Like, we're all busy. So, I am a little bit less busy, but... But yeah, Japs is also working on a game that's actually pretty cool. It's like a Mega Man X kind of style thing. Pretty dope. It's kind of the thing I want to be working on, but I want to go for more simple stuff. Though I'm starting to learn that maybe since there's already a lot of platformer stuff implemented into games or into game engines, maybe I should be doing that. Totally not Mega Man. Well, it's not Mega Man because it's gonna have Robo Girls in it. That's Mega Man's a guy, presumably. By the way, Japs, I'll give you like $10 to cameo in your game. To draw you like a freaking like a little like cartoon or a little chibi version you can just throw somewhere. I don't know, whatever. I want a cameo, that's all. I mean if you're willing to just toss like a physics object in there of like just like a 2D sprite that just rolls around, you can kick around. You know, I'm just saying, I want a cameo in your game. That's all. Semantics. Oh no. Whatever you heard was not probably that. Alright, let's see. Well, shite. I'm trying to figure out what I'm doing here. Alright. Yes, that's it. Okay, so in this screen, so we'll go back to character menu, transition animation. We'll switch back to slide in so we can play with it here. We'll see. Alright, cool. I mean, you don't have to, obviously. You know, you've done enough work with this character. But, you know, if you could, that'd be amazing. Alright. Yeah. Okay, so what am I doing here? I'm gonna talk this out first. Or did you get whatever face I did back there? Or whatever, I don't know. Yeah, okay, whatever. Well, I'm sure you'll have plenty of opportunities. Let's see. Okay, so what I'm gonna want here is I'm gonna want a portrait of a character, which we've got here in these heads that we can use. Put this blue head, move him up the tree here to like where the character menu is. So we want him to be. Oh. Huh. Oh wait, right. Now he shows up. So we want the like sprite to be like this. Like that. Yeah, Bradley. Yep. Let's see. I need to have it, though, be a texture object that doesn't... Let's see. Add child node. We want texture. Image. So let's go control and see if I can find texture rectangle. There we go. Okay, I'm back. Don't go over there. So texture rectangle is going to be right here, and it's going to go about yay far, like so. We're going to go texture, new animated texture. Should be image texture. There it is. Why is it empty? Look. Does it not include PNG among these? No, it does. Okay, good. Oh, I clicked a not okay thing. Let's see. Huh. Oh. That's right. Import. See, there should be some options here for like type. Import as texture image. Re-import. Oh shit. Okay. Well. All right. I was not expecting that to happen. Didn't. Everything seems fine. All right. Well, that could have been bad. You can. You can. It'll always be there for you. Replying to what Jap said. Like, yeah, there's always options. There's always a way. If there's a will, there's a way. Okay, well, better, you know? I am giving up on that. Let's try switching to image texture. Screen texture. Hey, look at that. I should be able to shrink. Should be able to shrink. No, it can't shrink it. Okay, well that's fine. That's fine. Actually, that's not fine. We actually want these to be half the size. Size limit, let's go, how about 100? Re-import. And it's going to close my thing again. Save scenes. Okay, so it's going to close it this time, and it's going to... Okay, good. Good. Now I know. I was not paying attention last time. Okay, import... Scene. Let's crank it up to about 500. Both blue head and red head. Import. Let's go with 300. I am just kind of messing with it now. And don't know what I'm doing. Yeah, okay, that's actually not good enough. Let's go down to 200. That's not what I want. 200. Alright, that's good. That is good enough for now. So put this over here. Like so. And then we'll have the text blurb over here. I will say, even though it's kind of died down a little bit. Wait, what, oops. If you do it on Catbox and you set it to an hour, by the time, like, it actually, most people would see it right now, I think it would be fine. Because, I mean, technically, it could happen, like, if it looks kind of lewd. You might not want to, but, I personally, I don't care. If it disappears after an hour, I don't care. Or not cat box, litter box, that's what it's called. That would be rich text label, that would be it. Good. Alright. Good to hear. Good old whoop shit. Okay, so now what we got here is we've got character. These are just there to test. So what we're gonna do now is we're gonna take these. We're gonna put these into a collection. Or not a collection, it's called a container. And that container is going to look like, where's split container? Yeah, let's go H-split. Then we're going to stick these two onto that, like so. And where'd they go? Where'd the other one go? Where'd the text label go? That's not what I want. Right. There it is. There we go. Alright, cool. Oh, what is that face for? That's characters. So like, they're designed to, or not designed, they're just placeholders for actual character portraits. So it's gonna have like me, whatever, all these other characters. Yeah, so it's just placeholder art. Oh god! Oh jeez, okay, alright. Wow. Alright, well, there you go. Alright. Jesus Christ. Alright, well. Alright. I don't know what's going on in the chat right now, or there's only 2 people, but for some, it's like, it's don't cheat? What? What is that face? Where are you going? Oh, cheating by going back into the archive and finding it. Yeah, okay, that makes sense. So then what we want is... Alright, let's see, scroll panel. We want the... What do we want this to look like? We want to have multiple items of... Let's see. It's all in good fun, yes, good. You're just having fun. We're just a bunch of bros being guys, you know what I'm saying? Oh, shit. There. Got that thing back. Yeah, just bros being guys, you know? Just chilling. Alright, I don't see why that saddens you. I don't understand. Yeah, actually, I don't know. I mean, unless he's looking at, like... Or unless he well... I mean... You do draw, but, like, yeah, you didn't draw any of this. It's just... You just animated all the little pieces. But, yeah, I don't know how you would know that. It's not sending twice, it's just, for some reason the auto-moderate's catching it. So, like, it's like, oh, hey, this might be bad, and I'm like, no, it's not. You're just being overly cautious, Twitch. I forget if I'm held accountable for what's typed in there. So we probably want a split container here again. So we'll say that we do the tiny one, right? Put that in there. Yes. Go there. What is it? Have you ever heard the tale of Darth Plagueis the Wise? It's not a story the Jedi would tell you. It's funny because I know that, but I don't. I've never actually watched that movie. It's not a story the Jedi would show you. It's like Bane posting and freaking Darth Plagueis. Both memes. Where the frick? Where the frick did the thing go? Or, wait, it's over here. Why are you over here? What? Wait, what the frick? What's happening here? What's going on? Why is it doing that? That's super bizarre. There's no panel there to hide from. I think it must be the scroll container. That must be it. Yeah, because when it goes out of the range of the scroll container, it goes, no, fuck that. It stays here, which I understand. That makes sense. So blue, and then we want to add child node, and then we add again text. Rich text label. Do you have other objects? I don't. Like, not in the scene, at least. Oh, I should probably scroll this back in. There we go. Have you ever heard the tale of Darth Plagueis the Wise? It's not a story the Jedi would tell you. Send it to the front anyways. It is in the front. It's right before this. So it's as front as it can be within this object. There's not a lot of programming right now. It's kind of funny. Label. Name, so. I'm a blue guy. That's his name. I'm a blue guy. Okay. So now, where the frick? Because the scroll container's right here, and it's going to do. Oh, wait. No, that's fine. Because if I do this, right? If I copy paste, right, or if I duplicate. Okay, so it's not actually supposed to work that way. Alright. So what? Maybe I'm misunderstanding how this works. There's always this, though. Haha, time for reading. Oh yes, that song by the... Who did that? Who did Blue? I forget. in a blue Corvette, and everything is blue for him and himself and everybody around, cause he ain't got nobody to listen to. I'm blue with dabba dee dabba da, dabba dee dabba da, dabba dee dabba. Let's see. Scroll container node meant to contain a control child. Blah 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 blah. Actually, wait, no, I do need to read this. When needed in build, draw the container area. Scroll bars will automatically be drawn at the right for vertical or bottom for horizontal, and will engage dragging to move viewable control and its children within the scroll container. Scroll bars will also automatically resize the grabber based on the control rect minimum size of the control relative to the control container. Works great with the panel control. You can set expand on the children's side flags, so they upscale to the control size if it's larger. All right. Yes, but right now the boys are a very small group. We're currently working on acquiring more members, but unfortunately, the boys is basically, I think, not more than 3 people at a time. It's like, are you seriously watching porn by yourself? There. Okay. There. I know this, but that's fine. Okay, let's just see what it looks like when I'm running it. Yeah, I don't think so. Alright. It's like, no, I'm with my boys! Oh! Alright. I'm too old for that meme. Wait, collapsed. Ooh. What does that mean? Okay, whatever then. What is... No, we want that. So I got this idea for a new anime. But one day I'm sure you'll figure out the joke. No, it's a meme. So it starts out with this guy going like, "Oh, I've got this idea for a new anime plot." This girl shows up to high school with these huge boobs. I mean, huge badonkaroos or whatever, and then keeps like talking about like finding different words to talk about how huge the boobs are. And then he goes like, and then this other girl shows up with these even bigger boobs, and he starts going into the same thing. Oh. Well, I guess you're not allowed in the boys' club anymore. You're gonna have to leave. I'm sorry. You're not a bro anymore. I'm sorry, but those are the rules. this is a bros only zone, and as a non bro, you know, I'm afraid that you are going to have to you know, consult. We can send you to our we can send you to the sort of bro analysis department. We can judge your qualifications to be a bro, but you're gonna have to go through a few more hoops to join the club. I'm sorry. Friendship is no more. All right. How the frick does this work? Let's see. Well, time to go searching. So I put these headphones on again. So I might have to watch something.
There is a lot to say about Godot's UI system. Beyond the base nodes we saw in the last video, there is something called containers.
So this is how I, if I really don't know how something works, but I know I should be using it, this is how I find the answer. Let's see. I find somebody clicking something that I recognize. Okay, VBox.
Our UI works. If we want to change the position of a row as such.
See, is there a scroll in there? Yeah, I will agree with you on that, Japs, but I've noticed that, like, for me, well, I should be covering it before I start, like, trying to implement it. There are some times that I'm like, oh, I know what I want design-wise, but I didn't look into, like, the tools that I should be using. That said, I do agree with you. It wasn't that bad, honestly. You actually got a lot done in 3 hours, Japs. Like he well, yeah. If you can get like a whole like platforming engine done in an hour, you're pretty good at what you do. Like you're a professional. Well, beyond professional, you're very, very good. It's not a normal thing. So 3 hours is fine. Like, I don't think you should be kicking yourself for that. Yeah, that's just my opinion.
Horizontal box container. Right here to
Let's
be
see.
a child of the 9-patch frame because we're going to center it on it. You can see by default it doesn't center at all, so we'll want to add a center container. We'll place the center container inside the 9-patch frame, and the text framework we rows that we
Whoops.
have in to a vert. The margin is set to 8 pixels. We'll want to 2x2 and UI. We begin and the right and left container. When we parent, you want to modify the size of the because these are the you don't want the Node2D as a reference, and it tends to modify.
So what's it called again? In Godot.
Container nodes ordered that it has them everything good are figured in as result cities.
This is. I know this seems really.
H on your keyboard, you'll be
Wait,
able to
the
see
lads are
those
traps.
green dots to visualize where your control is anchored.
I keep telling him that he actually has a VTuber avatar as well, and I keep telling him that he needs to have a trap, Japs that is, and he for some reason he just doesn't understand the appeal, doesn't understand the value in a character like this. But that's okay, I understand. He'll come around
We'll start
eventually.
off by taking a look at this panel, which is a margin container that has 20 of margin on each side of it. This way we don't have the 9-patch rect touching the edges of our screen. We then have a margin container, which is used to keep this really another time. Again, it gets rearranged. We wouldn't have to look because we have a container that has an horizontal box container that holds the 2 buttons that we need to select our character and has our character.
Okay. I think that I'm being stupid, actually. I think that's what's happening. I'm being stupid. Oh god. Just beat them until they say ugu. I mean I think you can get some results from that, but I don't know if it's exactly what you want. Let's see. Right. Duplicate. Nope, that's not it. The frick! Okay, I don't understand. I don't actually understand at all what's happening. Text. Is there text there? Yeah, there's text here. The frick! Like, if I do this, you know, is it gonna show? No, it's not. Wait, what? Huh. Yeah, I don't know what's happening here. Alright, you know what? I am gonna do something else. I'm gonna try something else here. Godot hates you. Yeah, I don't know. I mean, every game engine hates me, if I'm being honest. It's not just this one. Everything has their own little stuff, but I like Godot a lot, so I'm willing to deal with the shortcomings. Pretty good Stitch impression, huh? High enough to voice anime. That's true. That's true. Sorry, I'm sending a message here. It blocked Loli. What the frig? I mean, you know, if you have an anime voice, you could probably be a lot more popular. No, that you know, the mic thing can be fixed. Hmm. Oh wait, so you're listening to me talk out loud then, in the open where people can hear? Oh no. Well, I mean, I haven't said anything too bad, so that's good. Not haven't said anything cancel worthy. Yet, of course. It's probably gonna happen at some point, but we'll see. We'll see. All right. At the where is it? Did the BGM? Oh, whoops! Forgot to turn that back up. All right. There we go. background is back. I was just turning it down to listen to the videos. Alright, for now, I think what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna have, since we're probably not gonna have that many characters, like, we're gonna have at least, like, maybe, like, 5 or 6, but, or, yeah, like, 5 or 6 per, maybe, like, playstyle. I think I can probably get away with just having an H-box, or a V-box container. Well, good. I would not want a random Twitch follower to be in my room. I mean, no offense to you, but that would be pretty weird. I mean, I'm not even that popular yet. Come on, wait until I'm like, you know, wait until like I've got like at least like, you know, at least like 100 followers. I feel like that's the limit. That's when you can be like, all right, this guy's popular enough to stalk. Oops, forgot. Now I know what's going on, I think. So we do that, and then we add child node, and we do text unit label, and then we do that. And we type this in, and then we do this, and I type in blue guy. Actually, yeah, we can do that. No, actually, it needs to be named. And then we go. Like that, so it goes like, yeah, okay, I know what I was doing wrong. I realized it. Right, well, that's fine though. I figured out the problem, so I can keep going. True. This is fair. If you know you can get on you can get it on the ground floor while the stock value is low. You know, invest in Doggo really early. Huh. I'm at the Pizza Hut. I'm at the Taco Bell. I'm at the combination Pizza Hut Taco Bell. Let's see, right. Feel like working on UI stuff, lol. I mean, I will say this is I wouldn't say the most boring, but definitely among the most boring things you could do. Nope, that's not it. Okay, so then what the frick? How how do we get this font, get this text to do what I want here? Let's try label instead. I think label would be better. There it is. That's what we want. We don't want this. Actually, technically, I haven't written down any lore, but technically, at this point, there is a D2 and Go. He's not called that, but he's like the evil twin, you know, like Shadow the Hedgehog. But yes, he's running around out somewhere, doing evil things. Yeah, he's like a shadow in terms of, like, you know, he's the guy, he is the protagonist looking character, but he's, you know, he's the bad version, so it's like, you know, red and black or whatever color scheme says evil, or just the opposite of whatever the character's color scheme is, like, you know, like Dante and Virgil or whatever. A dongo? Dongo. No, I did not notice that. I am very sorry. That's good. No, I can respect that. That's a good joke. This is who I am. Goodbye, Doctor. Yep, that one. I was like, where are those damn Chaos Emeralds? Freaking Shadow. I will say that I'm distracted by programming. Not a bad impression. Thank you. He's basically just like, do a sonic or just do a breathy, kind of slightly deep voice, and you're basically there. At least that's what it feels like. If you can do a Sonic impression, you can do a Shadow impression. But I don't know if I can do a Sonic impression. I'm not going to do it right now. It's just like the freaking... what was it? It's like, damn, Maria. Maria. Let's see. Oh yeah, the thing from their fight in Sonic Adventure 2. It's like, huh, I'm the coolest. Count how many sand there is, Omega. I know that's from the dub, but I haven't actually heard the joke, or I haven't heard that line, but I know that's got to be from the dub, or from the fan dub. Oh yeah, dumb, being stupid. Load. Fonts. Bam. Sorry, Shadow the Hedgehog, fuck my wife. It's freaking... What was it? It was like, Oh yeah, go make your sushi. Go make your sushi. I will probably be done in an hour. But I might be back. I don't know. We'll see. I might be playing games or something, but or I probably should be doing some thumbnail stuff for other things. But yeah, I'll be back on Wednesday if you're if you're doing anything on Wednesday. So for playing actual video games, not making them. But yeah, see you later. Yeah, actually, that's fine for now, I think. Like, maybe 5 guys in each thing. You know what? Actually, I think I'm going to do this instead. I'm going to go to the animation thing, slide in. It's going to look like this. Here with the... What is that menu for? Oh, it's characters. So it's actually going to have multiple characters with varying playstyles. So right now there's going to be 2. There can be multiple characters for each playstyle, but there's going to be 2 playstyles. And the first one already exists, which is, if you can see here, so like this character. But you can see. Oh wait, actually I don't even need. Oh right, my life box is still very stock. I'll lock that so I can't touch it. But so you can see here, there's like life squares. Right now they're just black squares, but they're going to be based on like whatever playstyle you're using. And in this playstyle, it's just more straightforward, where you've got lives. So if you take damage, right? If you go like that, you take damage, and then you can heal it up. That's kind of the way it works. And obviously, if you take 3 hits, then it's game over. The next version is going to be, because I like character action games and stuff like that, the next version of, or the other playstyle is going to be that you get 1-hit death. So if you get hit, you die. But you, instead of lives, you have shields. And you press the button and you can block stuff with your shield, and you lose it. But if you press the shield button at the point when the bullet's about to hit you, then it becomes a perfect guard. So if you guard at the exact moment a bullet touches you, then you can just block forever. And I'm gonna make a little extra thing that if you do a bunch in a row, you can get a combo, and it's nothing. It literally does nothing for you, but give you bragging rights. So that's kind of the way it's working on that front. I'm gonna look into here while I'm changing stuff here. Let's see, there's something going on with the tracking on this thing that is annoying me a little bit. Let's try that. Let's see. Alright, yeah, we'll worry about it later. But yeah, so that's kind of what I got going. And that is, right now I'm just creating the way to change characters. Oh yeah, you got some, so I was actually changing, so if I go into face rig, right, I can actually do this here. Show you. So, you know, you can see the character here and stuff like that, and if I decide I want to change something in the options, I can pull this up and it'll actually shrink it down. I don't like face rig, if I'm being 100% honest. I think there's a lot of stuff that's better, but for now, yeah, so you can go here and change stuff. So, switch it back to 60 for now. Yeah, now it looks a little bit better. The facial track. I need to figure out like how to get the facial tracking a little bit better. But whatever. Without having to go to 60 frames per second. All right. I think today is just going to be UI day. I think that it's going to end up being exclusively UI stuff, which is fine. That's fine, but kind of sad there won't be any more interesting stuff than that. Also, how did the I was able to zoom in before. How am I not zooming in now? What the? Oh, there it is. Okay, so what are we gonna do? Here, you're gonna do this. This starts from 0, 0. So this is gonna go over here. 0, enter. Slide out is gonna go negative, maybe like 600 something. We'll see. See what that looks like. And it goes up. Still not high enough though, but it's good. So, try that. Go back down. Out. Watch out with turning your cam on. What do you mean? Or turning my like desktop on? Because I do have a I have a little bit of I have fail-safes for that with the face wriggle. Oh right, because it might show my face. Yeah. I'm not gonna do that. I wouldn't do that during a live stream. That's not a good idea. If I have to do that, then I'll just live with the bad tracking. Because, not interested in doxing myself. No, sir. No, sirree, Bob. Don't want that. Like, no, don't want that. I am no longer dead. Let's see. Well, you should still get something else to eat. Saw pancake. You don't want to just like go without food or not eat anything. I feel like. Okay, so we're gonna do that instead. Okay. That works. That's fine. It could be better, but that's fine. Okay, cool. Anyway, so we have that, and then slide in is going to be also 880. Okay, so now we should be able to try this. Well, that sucks. I'm sorry. In regards to the tasting of foods. I have a, my grandmother actually has an issue similar to that. She was bitten by a spider and it, like, caused her to not be able to taste anything spicy. I wonder what that looks like if I do it this way. That's actually kind of neat. That's not what I want to do, but that's neat. Let's see. Yeah, I think that looks better. Alright, next thing we want to do is... So we either want to have like different screen with different... I think I'll do that. I'll have like different screen with different information. That might be easier. So is this the forever background for the game? No, where is it? Where's the thing that lets me change what the animated part of it is? So no, the background, so this isn't the background for the game. What it's going to be is, like, sort of, it's a vertical game, so it's not a bullet hell where it's like Toho, where you're looking, like, down at their backs and you're, like, moving forward. Technically, while it's the same game, like, physics-wise, or, physics-wise, the way it, like, behaves, it's going up. So the character is tied to a rocket, like in Toy Story, and they're flying up. And that's kind of the whole, like, gist of the game, is you're dodging stuff that's falling down from the sky. But I've got to draw all the assets for that. Man. I've been sitting down in this chair for a while. But yeah, I haven't actually drawn any official art yet, so all of it's just placeholders. Yeah, I'm gonna have to do that. So let's start building out more scripting, but this time weird stuff. Let's see, let's look in scenes. It's probably not gonna be here, but no, it's probably going to be in scripts. Characters, that was it. Right. So now we need to have some other stuff in here. Yeah, gotta loosen up. But I can't stand up, it'll loosen the tracking. I can stretch though. Yeah. Full. See, it was a femboyish dragon, like in all fours. They had custom kinda lewd emotes. The only dragon I can think of. Well, the only dragon I can think of, period, that is popular in any form, YouTube or streaming at all, is a guy named Cothrix, and I do not think that was him. I'm gonna guess that wasn't him. Unless it was him, and I just don't know what he's been doing recently. I've kind of stopped following the guy. But yeah, if I get popular enough, I would want to put some looter emotes. Dragon was blue. Yeah, I have no idea. So, it's kind of weird. I don't, despite, I draw like a little bit of furry stuff, but I'm not actually that big into furry community things. So I don't actually know much. I just know, I mostly just know video games. What? Yeah! Actually, well, okay, so I want, what's it? I guess I want, like, lewd emotes, but like meme emotes. Like, I can copy this image address here. I mean, yes, I do. Of course I do. Why would I make a character like this and not want that? But that's I want like the brain monkey as an emote. Somebody gave me that idea on a Discord server, and I want that. I want that. So I guess when I have the ability to make custom emotes, if I ever do, if this ever takes off, I will definitely go ahead and do that. Okay, that's not... I never said that. I never said that. You still need to get the affiliate partner status for emotes. Exactly, yeah. And I think I need to have a few more followers, or I need to get up to a higher follower count for that, right? I can't just, ask for it and they're like, yeah, okay, here you go. Here's your Twitch thing. Here's money. 30 or 50, yeah. I'd be shocked if I get 30 or 50 within the month, or even within like the next couple months. I mean, I'm a VTuber, which adds some appeal, but I'm still like half my streams are just me typing, so like, not sure how many people are interested in showing up to one of those. Listen, I designed this character with the explicit purpose. Okay, not the explicit purpose. For popular artists to blow up. True. I don't know, I feel like it's not organic if I ask for it myself. But I guess maybe people do ask for commission, so maybe I should just do it. I'll think about that actually, and I know exactly who I would ask for a commission if I was going to do that. So. Okay, back to what I was thinking about. Right, character image, blah 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 blah. Okay, so character blurb. eye candy while typing, and boom. Sexy coding with Cole Dingo. Yep. All right. ASMR programming. It's like, you like that? You like that? You like that typing? That's pretty good. Yeah. Wait, okay, so you're saying I should be like, let's see. Let me go back here. Look right there at all times. Yeah, so it's like, I'll know a pointer, your exception. Alright. Midriff works too. Midriff is about maybe where I'd go. Alright. You know, I actually don't have that much, like, hip action on this thing. I will say, if I got a 3D model, that would be Smexy Poke. See, yeah, if I got a 3D model, that would be what I would kind of start trying to do with it. Fun poses. Yeah. I'd have to get the motion capture tools for it, though. I couldn't just do it. Alright. Alrighty. Alrighty then. And we should probably say we want actually, you know what? We're gonna go back to the other thing. Name is default. So that default is that. There. There. Are you happy now? Gotta have tail wags. Yeah, I don't know. I'll say that, like, I mean, if Japs wants to make a version 2, we can talk about that. I could also try to do live 2D stuff, but I've got a lot going on, so if Japs, if you learned anything new about live 2D, hit me up if you're thinking, if you got ideas. But I think, like, you know, in the future we could do, like, a more fancy model if this whole thing takes off. Because I would like to have a wagging tail, that would be nice. Yes, I would have to redraw the whole thing, and I probably would want to redraw this thing at some point. Well, yeah, like the whole, like, VTuber game dev conglomerate thing that I've got going. Tail wag. So it is actually a separate part. So if you wanted to, you could make it wag a bit. I don't know how to do that. I guess I could figure it out. It's just a part on the model. Yeah, I know. You added that functionality on there because the tail's a separate part. So I'm pretty sure you put a thing there at least. And if you're saying you did, I'm not gonna say you didn't. I just don't know how to make it do that. If only Mohem existed already. I don't even know if it, like, I don't know if Facebook has tongue tracking. I just assume it does, because I remember seeing stuff about it. It might just be an option that you can change, that you have to, like, manually do. Shit, I don't know. Let's see. Populate menu. I'm gonna have to do a couple other things before I do this. Fair. But I wouldn't be... There's content, there's value in that. Right now, I'm not putting too much of a focus into the VTuber live, or I should say, the Live 2D part of things. Just because it's like, this exists. It's you know, it's the baseline of what I wanted. If I want to go further, you know, after if you know, yes, if it takes off, you know, then I'll try upgrading it to something better. It's a hobby. Yeah, I mean, it's like, it's a hobby. It's mostly just to, like, advertise, or I shouldn't say the main purpose of the VTuber thing is to advertise games I make, because I'm getting, like, some attention, but not as much as I'd like, and I'm hoping that having the games plus this can try and help both become bigger. Plus, it's also fun. I do enjoy it, so being called a doggo is fun. I'm losing my train of thought. I'm like starting to wind down. Listen. A lot of like Japanese VTubers are actually advertised or literally like mascots for a company, so I wouldn't be surprised. Similar VTuber. There's Kami, Iron Mouse. I don't know. Yes. Project Melody made everybody get all butthurt. That was funny. Like, she's cheating. Like, nah, I don't get it. Project Melody's interesting though, because there's a lot of like, it was obvious that was gonna happen, but it kind of like, it kind of makes me wonder like, what, where we're going with VTuber stuff in years. Haha, anime girls be real girls. Yes, basically, that's what we're saying. That's what I'm saying. Okay, I don't even need this anymore because we're not going to do that. We're going to say yes, alright. So for now we're just going to populate character list with the characters. So there, I think it's characters dot get character. Actually, I wonder if I can just do Yeah, I would agree with that. Like, I feel like if you play along, but you're not like, you don't go full degenerate, like, frankly, I'm probably going to go and, I think that for most VTubers that works. Plus, it's like, it's kind of hard to be, upset about like some character being like, ha ha ha, big boobs, if your character is literally designed with gigantic, boobs. It's like, what are you doing? Why would you be upset by that? That just feels like you're upset that you literally asked for it. Yeah, exactly. Thank you. I will say though, there are some like English-speaking I think people are calling them like V-tweeters or whatever, like VTubers that just mostly do stuff on Twitter. That don't actually have any streams that they're doing. That's kind of weird. Like, and they usually seem like they're really prudish and kind of gross. Or, well, annoying to talk to, I guess is a better way to put it. They seem like they're a bit, you know, stuck up. Like that one that was trying to get Gura, or yeah, Aguar Gura cancelled or something. Alright, populate menu. So what we want to do is we want to go into UI, collect a character list item, and we want to have this. Oh yeah, apparently somebody on Twitter. Oh yeah, fair. And you're probably doing a very, that's very, that's a very smart idea. That's very, very smart, personally. Like, I think if you're not, which is weird because you need, Twitter is only useful for marketing if there are people on there to market to, but Twitter's really only useful for marketing, or like looking up like Japs and me, there's a lot of interesting things that Japanese model creators post, so we tend to get a lot of those. At least I'm pretty sure that's mostly what me and Japs get. I don't know if he's getting, because I tend to be a little bit more vocal on Twitter, if he's getting some of my stuff now too. Yeah. I kind of wish they would all move to like Pawoo or Mastodon, or some other Mastodon thing, but I understand. Twitter's the most popular. I used to use Tumblr too. That was, that got really bad. That got really bad. I know. It was, I won't go into it, but yeah, it was pretty bad. It got pretty, well, I mean, it also got, like, really censored, from what I understand. It got really, like, nobody was allowed to draw anything even remotely prudish, or remotely outside the prudish realm. I don't know what the word is. Remotely naughty, yes. Right, name. Oh, actually, no, not name. Actually, yeah, name. That's what it is. Text rectangle. So we're gonna do. I will do this. No, the name equals Frank, because that's the default. Don't want to return anything, we just want to set, right now, just name dot text equals default parameter expected. Because no. Huh, okay. is it asking for? Confession booths are very, very rife for comedy. I feel like, well, it's not in the West. It's heavily used, but I've only ever seen it used once in an anime with like Konosuba, and like Aqua sitting in the confession booth with Kazuma. That was really good. Like you can never go wrong with a good confession booth joke. What is going on with this? That's odd. I've done defaults before, so what is it? Why is it complaining at me right now? Oh, I know what I can look at. Spawn instance. Yeah. So then what the frick? Bunch of machine mumbo jumbo. Yeah. It's just programming, you know? Just that stuff. But what the frick? Why is it default parameter expected? So if I just did this, it would probably not complain. Yeah, okay, so then if I do this and I go in type Frank like that, because I want that to be the default. Fucking. Okay, so it must be that image equal like none. Then it would work. Yeah, okay, it just so if I have a default for one thing, it has to have a default for everything. I don't remember that being the tech priests are going to hear about this. Nah, I don't. Trust me, this is ordinary technical know-how. No need for tech priests. No cyber monks. Not yet. Okay. So, what am I trying to do right now? I have the character box that displays in the character list. It has a function that right now just changes the name, but it will change the other stuff. If I go into my character menu here and I go populate menu and I go for character in characters dot characters, because that is how programming works. You get a little bit of redundancy right there. Then we are now looping over the list of characters, so then I go and I want to create an instance for this, so I should probably spawner. One moment. Alright, I think I'm getting close to when I gotta jump off, but... So yeah, like 10 minutes. I think I can get at least the character list to populate. After that, though, I think it's a pretty straight shot for the character menu. And then probably have to do the artwork for everything. Oh, alright, yeah, good luck with sushi. You can't see me, but I'm doing a thumbs up. Alright. Right now I'm like kind of like full focus mode. Let's see here. Yeah, I did not get a lot done today, to be fair. But that's all right. What am I doing now? I am still working on the menu, but I am doing an auto population of the list of characters from where is it? From this, where is characters? There it is. From this list, I'm gonna basically have the character list in the menu sort of auto-populate. So that's my current goal. Just get this list populated, allow this thing to change based on what I pick. I might do that off stream, the last bit, like this thing here, but I at least want to get the auto-populate stuff to happen. So then character list. So then we want to do right. Okay, so I want to go into freaking gibberish right now. Bullets. Simple mover, double mover. Alright, if I keep using this code, I should probably just make a function that I can call from any single, like, I need to make this a function I can call from anywhere and use for anything, instead of having to keep doing create instance over and over again, because I'm pretty sure there's a way to automate that. But for now, we'll just do this. Oh, Brett, I need to have... None of this shit. I might actually move this down to the character list, but for now we'll just do this. Let's see, so we do that. Add child thing.instance. Here we go. Name, and then nothing else. Just name. And then, yeah, okay, that works. So then we'll do like this, and then we'll do, shit. probably do this here. So do, sorry, wait, okay. For now, we're just gonna do dot name. So that's all we need. So then we do that. Hopefully this will work. Didn't think so. Invalid get index name on string. Oh wait, duh. No, it's not gonna be that. It's gonna be oh no, it is. Actually, no, it is gonna be this. It's gonna be this. It should have a name, shouldn't it? Did I not set that? Oh, wait. No, that's correct, right? Oh no, wait, it doesn't because it's not a. Can you for loop over? Let's see. Cool, okay, so there's an easy solution to that problem. So we'll do that, and then we're gonna go. Dictionary. Ah, cool. Okay, so then we just need to do this here. Cool. All right, let's try that. Oh, wait, right. Because we need to go into, and then we need to go into, and then we need to go into, shit, wait. No. Here. We need to go here, and then we go list item, and then we go load packed scene, and then we go into scenes, and then we go into UI, and then we go into character, and then we go, and there it is. Let's make sure that it actually, Yep. Ah, yes, it. Ah, that's okay. Good. Holy shit. All right. Okay. Okay, that's good. That makes me happy. Oh, that sucked. That should not have been as annoying as that was. Yes, yes, thank you. And right before the stream was about to end too. So, yeah, I'll need to do a couple changes to it, but nah, that took way longer than it should have. So, this I need to not have happen, for one. It's happening in all these. I need to figure out how to not have that. So, these need to be able to switch the playstyle, and that would just be like probably a change up here or something like that. Oh, actually, you can't see my mouse scroll over it. Okay, never mind. But they're like on top, there probably should be some kind of something designating what the playstyle mode is, and then these characters can change based on that. I need to have these character portraits get updated, but other than that, it's like this part's ready. I can probably figure out a way to make those into buttons so they can have click actions. But yeah, sorry, Blambixby. Unless you're watching the whole time, I don't know, but I'm probably gonna drop now. So I'll see you later. I'm gonna be doing a stream on Wednesday if you guys want to see. I think that's about it for now. Yeah. You too. Have a safe and happy day. Do not go walking out into traffic, please. All right. See you all later. As soon as I click the end stream button, because I have. Yeah, thank you. I appreciate it. All right. I was being a little bit of a boomer there. I didn't know where the end stream button was. All right.